Hey everybody, it's Todd again from Doji Racing. How you doing? This is Phoebe, my dog. She's going to be in the way for a little bit here. So we're going to unbox everything we received from CarreraSlots.com. So let's get started here. We got some big boxes. Oh, we got this one. And this one. Okay. All right. So this is the Retro Grand Prix, it looks like. I'm really excited to go into the digital slot age, going from HO. So I got about a 50-foot track planned. I'm going to do a video of the space here very soon, and that'll be up to check out. All right. Woohoo! Oh, look at this. This is awesome. Yeah, so like I said in my opening video, I ordered this stuff just yesterday. Spoke with them on the phone, did a phone order. It was really awesome. It was a great customer experience. Something that's kind of hard to get these days because everybody wants you to just order online, which is fine and I get, but it's nice just to actually talk to somebody on the phone, go through your order, confirm it all, get the information, and no kidding, everything was here within 24 hours, which is just crazy when you think about it. And the shipping was very acceptable. It wasn't overpriced in any way. In fact, it was affordable compared to a lot of things. It was shipping compared to buying one thing, and getting overcharged. Anyway, all right. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Oh boy, this is heavy. It's awesome. Wow, look at this. I'm really excited about this. I love that Porsche. All right, there's that. And then this is all the extra goodies. There are a few things back ordered because I guess that's just how things are right now because nobody has this stuff. So, that's cool. The whole phone call started from, I had some items that were back ordered and just wanted to talk to them about it. And we just started chatting it up, and then we wound up doing the order right there on the phone call, which was really cool, as I mentioned. Being careful, don't want to mess anything up. Oh yeah, look at all these goodies. Alright. Right turn outside the inn. The banked curve. Looks like the box got a little bit goofy there. I doubt it's a problem. We'll open that up and take a look. This is my pit extension. Unfortunately, the pit is back ordered, so we're gonna have to wait on that. These are the outside shoulders for aforementioned bank corner. Power extensions, because the track's 50 feet long. Track cleaner, I watched a review for this. It looks like a dynamite piece of material. I'll eventually do a review on that too. And then just some lubricant for the rails. Keeps them nice and slippery and all that good stuff and clean. Okay, what else do we got here? Yeah, we got 2 boxes of 160 curves. I got a track all planned out and everything, so I knew the pieces I needed. We should have 2 boxes of 230 curves. Yep. And I just grabbed a couple support kits. Got a thing that goes over everything, shows the back orders. Very nice. Okay. What we great shopping experience. I can't believe everything showed up so quick. All right, let's take a quick look-see at the bank. I don't think there's going to be a problem, but we'll take a look. What do you think, Phoebe? Are you a pretty girl? Yeah, you are. Shake. Good girl, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see Phoebe. She might be off camera this time. I don't think we got any problems here. Can you, hi. Hi, Phoebe. What is that? Yeah, I know. Can you move for me? Let's go over here. Good girl. Thank you. All right, let's just be like a kid and open her up. Oh, interesting. Wow, I can't believe how big this track is. I see. Doesn't look like there's any issues here. No, everything's fine. I'm gonna have to put some of those protectors back on. Here's the supports and the track clips. I can't believe how big this is. Anyway, so that's all for this video. Once again, if you like our content, please subscribe, give it a like. We appreciate that. It helps us get the word out for our new channel. So thank you again, everyone. Toji Raceways signing out.